Oh.
It's typically all we hatch here, though. We are the hatchery that helps to hatch our Triceratops babies as well.
Oh, okay.
So you just
I saw him out wandering around earlier
yeah, and
today.
that's little Sahara. She's out today, and then she has a twin sister named Sierra. We say twin because they hatched on the same day, and we actually collect eggs from our adult females to grow our embryos in because it's got a better yield than using the millipore eggs.
I miss their grown-up ones. I was around during the days of Sarah and Topper. So.
I remember Topper. She's still alive. She's just not viewable.
Yeah.
They've had a lot of intestinal issues, so we had to isolate them out so they can get
so sad.
healed up. Yeah. Now these are the back end of our egg scanners.
Oh, neat.
Inside of here is actually a network of tubing where each egg is actually microchipped.
Ooh.
So then, like, as people figure out, they're all mystery eggs to us right now. It's new batches of DNA. So as people figure out what they are, actually all that information gets sent into here, and then it sorts them into these various baskets so that at the end of the day, we can collect them and get them sent to their proper hatcheries. Because we only keep these eggs here, which are the velociraptor eggs. So we do have to wait and get all the rest of these shipped out to their proper hatcheries. Obviously, we don't want to hatch herbivores and carnivores together. It'd be a little crazy.
Yeah, that could get messy.
But they are pretty cool.
Have you ever had any hatchings today yet?
We have had 3. But unfortunately, we think we may have a bad batch of DNA. And our hatchlings all have had some serious issues. So we're actually kind of like, not postponing, but we're isolating the hatchings now so we don't have any complications. Because not one of them has been able to hatch on their own, and that's not normal for us. So we pulled all our eggs to kind of like watch them individually to see. Cause it's a little harder when there's like 24 eggs in a chamber versus one person watching one egg the whole time. So hopefully, it might have just been that, but we'll get them back on track. But for right now, we'll have to postpone our hatchings.
Oh, this is
or at
great.
least the viewable ones. And that's actually some of our dinosaur food. Our carnivores go through a 3-stage diet, where our herbivores, they automatically just start eating all kinds of ferns and palm fronds, all kinds of stuff like that. Our carnivores go through, like I said, 3-step. As infants and hatchlings, they actually get the most disgusting thing you'll ever see. It is a protein shake that is literally pureed meat. So like beef and chicken.
So it would totally be Atkins diet approved.
Yes, it's so disgusting. It smells atrocious. But it also has like goat's milk and goat in it, so it's hyperallergenic, and they just love it. But then when they become juveniles, they actually get that little rounded seed, kind of looks like dog food. It's dino chow. It's again another extract that's ground up, but it's a little harder to start building up jaw strength for them. Because when they get introduced to their packs and they're adults, they get whole sides of cow. Or if you're Tiffany the T-Rex, a whole entire goat. Living.
Yummy.
Yummy, so good. They do, our animals, we do try to give it where they feed every day, so they get smaller portions from what they probably would have gotten from an actual kill.
Right.
So like our raptors, they'll get, for a pack of about 6 or 7, they'll get a half of a cow. And that way we can feed them every day. That's awesome. They gotta eat a lot. Awesome. Most of these animals eat their weight every day.
Some claws.
They are. We've got some
amber.
claws there. Yep. This is actual real amber right here. These are 10,000 years old.
Wow.
They're very low grade, so they're not very nice.
Yeah.
But they're still pretty cool. No, well, as you can see, we kind of tried.
Yeah, you can see a little bit.
But we're scientists, not jewelers. We failed epically. But we have some teeth over here from a few of our different carnivores. We've got a Tyrannosaurus Rex, Spinosaurus, and Giganotosaurus. We've got like our oviraptor eggs, and then we have an Allosaurus toe claw, Velociraptor claw, and a Utahraptor claw. And then some vertebrae of some of our hadrosaurs, a Brachiosaurus to be precise.
Awesome.
So these are actually from a juvenile, and an adult would actually be the size of the carp. So really big.
Yeah.
That's not even really that big. If you had this one going and it happened to be from Argentina source, you could put it on the ground, stand it upright, and it would be my height.
Whoa.
They have 5-foot vertebrae.
That's crazy.
Yeah, they're the largest dinosaur we found in the fossil record so far. It's pretty amazing. Hi, Dr. Scully.
Hello. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I was just getting a little nursery tour. It's very exciting.
Do you have
Sad to hear. No, I don't think. I just saw poor Savannah.
Yes, unfortunately, when we went to introduce her into the herd, we think that they might have gotten spooked, probably by like the compies or something one night, and she might have gotten trimmed. We're not quite positive because the Triceratops are very mothering, so we know that they didn't intentionally hurt her. So
it's a circle of life.
It is.
Things happen.
But it's still sad. I mean, we took care of her for so long, and she's not with us anymore. It's really disappointing, but it was an accident. Just during a really stormy night, so
it happens.
It happens. We still have Sierra and Sahara, so here's hoping.
Good.
But they're not introduced to the herd, which is why we still have them. They're still they're 10 weeks old right now, so they're still too young to be out parading with those
Sure.
20,000-pound adults.
Well, this was really cool.
We're trying to keep it, cool. It's a little warm back here.
No, thank you very much for the
Not
tour.
a
I really
problem.
appreciate it.
It was
This
my
is great.
pleasure.